Hey, what's up guys? I'm Joseph Bivens and welcome back to Supercars of Indianapolis for the conclusion of last week's video. And while we are in the middle of a severe thunderstorm warning, we cannot pass up the chance for this photo shoot here by Lake Michigan. And I'm not going to get in the way of Alfred's photo there. But we have just an amazing lineup of cars here at Lake Michigan. This is such a cool shot with all the clouds in the background. If you want to see photos of this, go check me out on Instagram at Supercars of Indianapolis. I'll put like a thing on the screen right here. But yeah, what a lineup of cars. But yeah, the thunderstorm is moving in, so I don't know what we're doing here, but I'm just rolling with it at this point. I don't have a car up here. I can't bail out. I just gotta roll with it. I'm running to Chicago. I'm almost there. I'm going back. So way out there, guys, is Chicago. The beautiful city of Chicago. You can see all the lights, barely, but that's pretty cool. And then out there on the lake is a massive thunderstorm, and right behind us is a massive thunderstorm, like this eye of the storm type thing. It's pretty crazy, pretty crazy. We did escape fair weather. We went to Applebee's, and now we're headed back to E&E in the gorgeous Dodge Challenger. Love the color on that car. Sounds amazing. But yeah, long drive back to Indianapolis from here. But you know, pretty cool trip despite the severe weather incident up by Lake Michigan. Alright, so that was an absolutely awesome day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to go down and hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you next video.
Go hard, accelerate, no, I won't sell myself out that way. There's something inside that takes over me, and I'm losing my mind.